All right, so this is an instant center problem. So just to kind of go over what's going to be on the exam, you have, so this is exam 2. You'll have instant centers. So I can ask a question like this, and you'll have 5 to 6 links. And you have to find all the instant centers for them. Then you'll have a mechanical advantage problem. And then you'll have a velocity analysis. And it could be graphical. It could be analytical. And it could be on a 4-bar or crank slide, 4-bar or crank slide. So that's the possibilities. Let me zoom up on that. So that's the possibilities on the exam. So I would expect number 1 and 2 to occur. And then I have the flexibility of mixing it up on problems 3 and 4. All right.
So 3 and 4 are going to be between all those?
Yeah, one of those. So there's 4 possibilities there, and I'll pick 2 of those. Okay. So that kind of summarizes the exam review, unless you want me to, I don't know what else to say about it. That's going to be the exam. Okay. All right, so with that, let's do this thing here. So all the easy instant centers are identified first. This is where colored pens are coming in, or pencils. So I have I13 here. Yeah, that doesn't show it. I13's here. I12's here. I34's here. I45's here. And then off at infinity is I15. Okay?
What about I23?
I like that. That's one also that kind of comes right here, right? So that location right there is I23. Okay? So let me go ahead and mark these off on my circle diagram. Again, the circle diagram has no geometric significance. All it has is bookkeeping significance. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Three, 4. 4, 5. And 1, 5. All right. So what we can do here is we can find 1, 4. You want to do that one? So we'll do 1, 4 here. So I14 is found by looking at the line from 1, 5 to 4, 5 and 1, 3 to 3, 4. And just to kind of verify this, remember the common subscript being 5 here, you got 1, 4 as uncommon, that's good. Common subscript is 3, 1, 4, gives me 1, 4. All right? So to do this here, we'll take 1, 5, 4, 5, so that's this line right here has to be perpendicular going through there. And then 1, 3, 3, 4. So this right here is I-1, and I'll make that line solid. So let's do the other diagonal here. We're going to go after 3, 5. So I-3, 5 is found by looking at I-1, 5, I-1, 3, I-3, 4, I-4, 5. 1, 5, 1, 3, so I'm just going to draw a line parallel to this. So I draw this line here. And then 3, 4, 4, 5. 3, 4, 4, 5. So this right here is I-3, 5. All right. So let's do another one here. Let's go after, say, 2, 5. I-2, 5 is I-1, 2, I-1, 5, I-2, 3, I-3, 5. What was that last one? I-3, 5? All right. Here, let me draw that again. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 5. 1, 2, 1, 5 is this line right here. And 2, 3, 3, 5. 2, 3, 3, 5. So that right there is I-2, 5. All right, what are we missing here? 2, 4. 2, 4. Let's do 2, 4. So 2, 4 can be found by going I-2, 5, 4, 5, yeah.
2, 3,
2, 3,
3, 4.
3, 4. Anything else?
Could you have done 1, 4, 1, 2?
Yep.
You just get to pick.
Did I skip it? I wrote it down.
You need all three of them?
You don't have to have all 3, but they all those lines should intersect pretty close, okay? If we did it right. So 2, 5, 4, 5. 2, 5, 4, 5 is right here. Okay? 2, 3, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3, 4. So here is where I think I24 is, and if we draw a line through 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, good. Look at that. Okay? Now, on the exam, if some of these points are falling off the page, and I didn't say some are off the page, you need to back up, because I'm going to try to make them all on the same page, or fall on the same page. Okay? So the trick here, especially if you're doing something that has 6 of these, is you may look at the circle diagram and say, well, did I actually get all of them? And the way to check on that is to start at each link and just make sure you get lines going to all the other links. And I do on this here.
But you also need to, you can use the equation to make sure you have all the ICs.
Yeah, you could do that too. You could do, so I skipped that, didn't I? So I could say that the number of ICs is n times n minus 1 divided by 2. And so on this, I have 5 times 5 minus 1 divided by 2 equals 10. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thank you for your help. I always get stuck on that 8, 9 thing. Don't know what number it is after that. All right, anything else on this one here?
Do we have to write out the things by the side, or you do that?
This thing here?
No, no.
This?
Yeah.
No, you don't have to. Okay? All right. So let's do the next one here.